Hello, my name is Olivia. Today's lesson is about using could and couldn't. Let me tell you about some things I did in the past when I was young. In middle school, I could run very fast. I could stay at my friend's place when I was young. In both sentences, could expresses an ability I had in the past. You use could to talk about ability or possibility in the past. Could is the past tense of can. So how do you make sentences with could? I could run very fast. In this sentence, we start with the subject, then could, followed by the base form of the verb, which is run. Here is another example. He could talk when he was 5 years old. What about the negative form? Let's look at an example. He could not talk when he was a baby. In this sentence, could is followed by not, and then the base form of the verb, which is talk. Let's look at another example. They couldn't travel due to the storm. In this sentence, couldn't is the short form of could not. Remember, the form of could does not change at all. You don't add an S, just like can. What about making questions with could? Let's look at two questions. Could I borrow your phone, please? Could you attend the weekly meeting this Thursday? In both questions, could is at the beginning of the question, followed by a pronoun and then the base form of the verb. In the first question, the person is asking for permission, and in the second question, the person is making a request. Let's look at some examples. Could you get me a glass of water? This indicates a request. Could I leave early today? This indicates asking for permission. Now you can use could and couldn't. Today we learned when we use could and couldn't. Sentences with could, including the negative form. Making questions with could. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.